This is the main reason. Whenever you are being asked this question, you can actually answer this. This is a very solid answer. Because industry people, they require this kind of answers and they... Hello friends, today I am here with a very important topic, that is why induction motors are so popular in the industry. Why not any other motors like synchronous motors, DC motors? Why 90% of the load that is used in the industry that is actually having induction motors at their end? Why this? Why this so? So that is my question today and I am going to answer it in my way. The basic principle about any machine, whenever you are studying it, the most important factor that you have to know is what is the construction of that machine. In case of three-phase induction motors, in case of industry, when I am mentioning, then I am in my supplementary mind, I am actually thinking about three-phase induction motors. Okay, so the thing is that three-phase induction motors, in a constructional way, is very dominant over other motors. How? In case of induction motor or any other motor, there are two parts actually, that is rotor part and stator part. According to the rotor construction, induction motors are having two types of variant. First is called squirrel cage induction motor and second is called wound rotor induction motor. Whenever I am giving you the name that popular induction motor, that is actually squirrel cage in construction. So we have to know what is squirrel cage. Why it is called squirrel cage induction motor? It is depending upon the rotor construction. The rotor that is there present, that actually looks like the old age squirrel cages, and there are these kind of connections that you can see. Okay, so these are the slots actually, and we will be having rotor bars here, not the conductors. The rotor bars we will be putting it here. Sometimes solid bars are being present, and sometimes melted bars are being inserted inside these slots. For this reason, the rotor part is very rugged in construction and very solid, and that is inaccessible to any kind of outer material. Like different things like rats and different insects, they cannot go inside the rotor because that is being covered in every way. And we are having slip rings here and slip rings here, and the total part is being enclosed by the end covers. So the basic funda is that this thing is very solidly enclosed, and that is why there is no entrance path for any of the things. That is why in case of fields, in case of industries, they can be using this kind of motors very unofficial or unprofessionally, because we can say that that motor is being there present for 10 years and it is running successfully. Nothing actually very much affect those kind of motors. In case of DC motors, we need to having those brushes to be cleaned, and we have to change those things. The maintenance part is there. In case of synchronous machine also, synchronous motor, that is also DC connection is present, and we need to go look after those sparking and all. These kind of motors are being not affected with those kind of problems. So basically, this motor, it can be used in our general pumps and everything that is being there present in the humid condition, and it can work successfully for a longer period of time. Sometimes some small maintenances are being required and it can flawlessly do the work. This is the most important reason for being popularized in this field and in the industry. As we can say, in India, DC series motors were being used for our local trains also. But nowadays, it is being replaced by the three-phase induction motors with some special corrections as well to improve the starting torque and all. But it is there. It is also that different speed control techniques, if you want to incorporate, then these squirrel cage motors, they are not actually very much helpful to you. If you want to have some controlling parts through the rotors, then we need wound rotor induction motors where windings are actually present. This is just one disadvantage that we can have in our squirrel cage induction motors, in my view, my opinion. in case of industrial uses. So this is the main reason. Whenever you are being asked this question, you will actually answer this. This is a very solid answer. Because industry people, they require this kind of answers and they want you to know about these things. So this thing will be very much helpful to you, I guess. Please follow me on this channel. I will be uploading this kind of videos very soon. Thank you. Thank you for watching this.